Let's start out with how to open an account with Crypto.com. The very first step is going to be clicking the affiliate link down below or visiting ryanoscribner.com/crypto. This is going to get you some bonuses that we will discuss later on, so be sure to use my link when you sign up. Once you click on that link or type it in, it's going to bring you over to the App Store where you can install the Crypto.com app. After that installs, go ahead and open up the Crypto.com app on your phone. If you use my link, you will get the bonuses, but if you didn't, you can also click on Invited Add Sign Up Code and then type in Ryan24 to get those exclusive bonuses. After that, you'll want to click on the blue Create New Account button to begin the sign up process. Go ahead and type in whatever email that you want to use and then click on Create New Account. Now you're going to need to log into that email account to verify your email address. The next step is to enter your phone number and then click on the Continue button. Then you'll simply verify the code that is sent to your phone. After that, you're going to want to set a passcode that you'll use when logging into the app, and if you want to keep it simple, you can use the same code for your phone lock screen. At this point, it's going to prompt you to complete the identity verification steps. For most people, they will be verifying their identity with their driver's license, so go ahead and click on that if that's the case. This will bring up the third-party identification app, which is used to verify your identity. Next, you're going to need to allow camera access, that way you can take photos of your photo ID. The first step for identity verification is taking a photo of the front of your driver's license, and once you have it within the boundary, it will auto-capture that photo for you. After that, you will move on to snapping a photo of the back of your driver's license, and you can retake it if either one is blurry. If everything looks good, you can click on the Submit Photo button. At this point, it's going to prompt you to record a short video of your face selfie style, and this is similar to setting up Face ID on your iPhone, for example. Once completed, you'll see a green check mark in the middle of your screen. From here, it will bring you back to the main Crypto.com app and notify you that your information is under review, and it usually takes just a few minutes for your account to get approved. After you receive confirmation that your account is verified, you're all set with the account opening process.